Palmstreet Shipping makes fulfillment effortless, creating labels, manage shipments, and track packages all in one place with Palmstreet. With Palmstreet, sellers can easily ship directly through the Seller Hub or the Palmstreet app. You can create and print shipping labels in one place, saving time and reducing steps. And once your packages are out the door, tracking is simple, seamless, so you and your buyers always know where an order is. Now here's a hot tip. Make sure that you enroll in Overdraft as a new seller. This will make sure that you're able to purchase your shipping labels without having to pay for them out of pocket as you're starting. Now we're going to go over the Seller Hub shipping tutorial. So let's go ahead and do a walkthrough. The first things first, we're going to make sure that we select our customer. And we're going to make sure that we select by shipping label. But as you can see, these are all of the options in the Seller Hub. So the first thing that pops up for us here is UPS. So UPS is an option, and as you can see, we do have our package dimensions in, but we can also do USPS. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and use UPS. So once all of our package dimensions are typed in and everything's there, we're going to go ahead and purchase our label. So this is confirmation for what we are going to purchase, and then we're going to select pay, or if it's not correct, you can select back. And then we're going to receive our payment confirmation. And from here, the best part happens. You can print your shipping label. You can also download it, just in case you don't have a printer handy. And then once that is finished, you're going to go right back in and you are going to print your packing slip. Super simple, to the point. Now this is in-app shipping. So on your profile, you're going to hit select your settings and then you're going to go to My Sales. Now these are all of the orders that we have here. So these are pending for our invoice, but we need to select Ready to Fulfill because Ready to Fulfill has the orders that we need to ship. So these are the two that we have that are ready to ship, but we're going to go ahead and go with the Trivia Assistant Official. They have one order. As you can see, we have the perfect item here that's been paid for. Up top, you can select bulk action if they have more than one item. Now, it says it's paid, so we can either ship on our own or we can do it the better way. We can buy our shipping label through Palmstreet. So we're going to select that. We're going to choose where it is coming from. We're going to make sure that all of the dimensions are entered in. And we're going to hit next and confirm our package information. Now we get to choose who we're going to ship with. Lots of options. And finally, we're going to get a confirmation. Do we want to ship this? Yes. How easy is that? All right, now we're going to pay for our shipping label, and we can do that using our credits that we already have or by enrolling in the Overdraft program. All right, your shipping label is created. Thank you for watching.